Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve Skillrack daily test. That is, smallest possible odd integer. The code starts by including necessary header files like stdio.h and stdlibh. These provide functions like printf, scanf, and dynamic memory allocation, malloc, free, though in this specific code, dynamic allocation isn't used. Main, function, this function is the entry point of the program. Variable declaration. N, it stores the input number. F, it acts as a flag to check if there are any odd digits present in the input. ARR, 10, it's an array initialized to 0. Each element of this array will store the count of each odd digit, 0 to 9. Taking input, scanf, %d, and n, reads an integer as input from the user and stores it in the variable n. Loop to count odd digits. The code enters a while loop that iterates through each digit of the input number. N%10 fetches the last digit of n. If the digit is odd, T%2 is not equal to 0, the flag f is set to 1, indicating the presence of at least one odd digit. The count of that odd digit is increment in the array ARR. Checking for the presence of odd digits. After processing the input number, there's an if condition, if f equals 0, that checks the value of the flag f. If f is still 0, it means there are no odd digits in the input. In this case, -1 is printed as required by the problem statement. Printing the smallest possible odd integer. If there are odd digits, f not equals 0, the program proceeds to print the smallest possible odd integer. It enters a loop from I equals 1 to I less than 10 to iterate through the elements of ARR. Inside the loop, for each odd digit I, it prints I as many times as its count in ARR using a nested while loop. This results in printing the smallest possible odd integer formed by arranging the odd digits in ascending order. Hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.